Why mosquitoes buzz in people's ears? Now, it was Mother Owl who woke the sun each day so that the dawn could come. One morning, a mosquito saw an iguana drinking at a water hole. Iguana, you will never believe what I saw yesterday. Try me, said the iguana. The mosquito said, I saw a farmer digging yams that were almost as big as I am. What's a mosquito compared to a yam? Snapped the iguana. I would rather be deaf than listen to such nonsense. Then he stuck 2 sticks in his ears and went off through the reeds. The iguana was still grumbling to himself when he happened to pass by a python. Good morning, iguana. The iguana did not answer, but lumbered on. Better me, better me. Now, why won't he speak to me? Said the python to himself. I'm afraid he is plotting some mischief against me. He began looking for somewhere to hide. The first likely place he found was a rabbit hole, and in it he went, wustle, 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 wustle. When the rabbit saw the big snake coming into her burrow, she was terrified. She scurried out through her back way and bounded click, 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 across a clearing. A crow saw the rabbit running for her life. It was his duty to spread the alarm in case of danger. Monkey heard the crow. He was sure that some dangerous beast was prowling near. As the monkey was crashing through the treetops, he happened to land on a dead limb. He fell on an owl's nest, killing one of the owlets. When Mother Owl returned to the nest, she found one of them dead. Her other children told her that the monkey had killed it. All that night, she sat in her tree, so sad, so sad, so sad. When she should have hooted for the sun, she did not do it. The night grew longer and longer. The animals of the forest knew it was lasting much too long. They feared that the sun would never come back. At last, King Lion called a meeting of the animals. They came and sat down around a council fire. King Lion asked, Mother Owl, why have you not called the sun? The night has lasted long, 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 and everyone is worried. Mother Owl said, Monkey killed my horse. Because of that, I cannot bear to wake the sun. So, it was the monkey who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can come. Then King Lion called the monkey. Monkey, said the king, why did you kill one of Mother Owl's babies? Oh, king, said the monkey, it was the crow's fault. He was calling and calling to warn us of danger. And I went leaping through the trees to help. A limb broke under me, and it fell on the owl's nest. The king said to the council, so it was the crow who alarmed the monkey who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can his head and said to the council, "So, it was the rabbit who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can come." "Rabbit," cried the king, "why did you break a law of nature and go running in the daytime?" "Oh, king," said the rabbit, "it was the python's fault. I was in my house minding my own business when that big snake came in and chased me out." The king said to the council, "So, it was the python who scared the rabbit, who alarmed the monkey, who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can come." King Lion called the python, who came slithering wassels, wassels, wassels past the other animals. "But king," he cried, "it was the iguana's fault. He wouldn't speak to me, and I thought he was plotting some mischief against me. When I crawled into the rabbit's hole, I was only trying to hide." The king said to the council, "So, it was the iguana who frightened the python, who scared the rabbit, who alarmed the monkey, who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can come." Now the iguana was not at the meeting, for he had not heard the summons. The antelope was sent to fetch him. All the animals laughed when they saw the sticks still stuck in his ears. King Lion pulled out the sticks. Put up, put up. "Iguana, what evil have you been plotting against the python?" "None, none at all," cried the iguana. "Python is my friend." "Then why wouldn't you say good morning to me?" demanded the snake. "I didn't hear you. Mosquitoes told me such a big lie I couldn't bear to listen to it, so I put sticks in my ears." Laughed the lion. "So that's why you had sticks in your ears?" "Yes," said the iguana. "It was the mosquito's fault." King Lion said to the council, "So, it was the mosquito who annoyed the iguana, who frightened the python, who scared the rabbit, who scared the monkey, who killed the owlet, and now Mother Owl won't wake the sun so that the day can come." "Punish the mosquito," cried all the flies. When Mother Owl heard that, she was satisfied. She turned her head toward the east and hooted. Meanwhile, the mosquito had listened to it all from a nearby bush. She crept under a curly leaf and was never found and brought before the council. But because of this, the mosquito has a guilty conscience. To this day, she goes about whining in people's ears. "Everyone's still angry with me." When she does that, she gets an honest answer.